Ever-changing threats shows really the need to modernize defense capabilities. How do we do that? Leonardo DRS has answers. We're joined by Al Mosher from Leonardo DRS. Al, welcome. Now, tell me, how do we cope with these changing needs, and what are we doing about changing battleground management?
So one of the things we're doing here in this region and really worldwide right now is giving the customer and the users option for C4I battle management platform integration. It used to be that you just needed one thing. You wanted to get a digital map and have blue dots to see your friendly forces, be able to see other position locating information for the enemy, unknown, neutral formations. But now that's the need for that's really grown, and that we need total platform integration. It includes voice, data, video, and sensor integration. And so we do that with our suite of systems that we can bring to a customer, particularly integrating into vehicles, and do things like integrate cameras around the vehicle, integrate that with the battle management itself, so that the customer, the user on the platform can have one pane of glass to look at instead of have many panes of glass to look at. Have one set of buttons to touch instead of have many sets of buttons to touch, and to make it easier for the user. Taking different sensors and integrating them to the platform, like bringing UAS video down to the platform, bringing radar to the platform to look for counter UAS capabilities. So those are some of the things that we're doing regionally and really worldwide in different ways, shapes, and forms, depending on what the customer needs are and what his requirements are.
Now, what I find quite odd about our industries is that we have allies, we work with forces from different parts of the world in certain situations, but you often see them all working with different systems. How do you bring all of that together?
Yeah, so one of the things that we do through our data distribution capability is one of the things we do is something called cross-banding. So every, actually even within formations, within an army, within their joint force, they have different radios that do not talk to each other. And of course that's a coalition problem too. So through cross-banding, we can cross-band data and voice so they can talk to each other. On the data side, we'd be cross-banding things to help them see each other on their battle management screens. So I can see your blue dots, you can see my blue dots when we choose to. And the same thing for voice. So I can take different disparate voice networks and make them work together so we can seamlessly communicate on the battlefield.
Now, here at the World Defence Show, you've got great relationships with Saudi Arabia, of course, and other allies in the region. What are you showing here that will be interesting them?
Yeah, so we have a really great relationship, and we actually have agreements with AEC and with SAMI Land. And one of the things that we're showing here is our battle management and our platform integration capability that I've discussed so far, both here in our booth, in SAMI's booth, in AEC's booth. There's a software provider here called Systematic. Our kit's in their booth showing capability. So all these different locations are using our kit and our integration capability and showing how it seamlessly can work together.
Mosher, thank you very much.